See, now the topic is propellants. See, now the topic is propellants. What are the different kinds of propellants are there? See, first one is chlorofluorohydrocarbons, CFC, chlorofluorohydrocarbons. See, example is propellant 11, we have discussed in the nomenclature of propellant 12 and propellant 114. See, what is this means? Trichloro means three chlorine atoms are there. Monofluoromethane, we can call it propellant 11. See, propellant 12 nothing but dichloro, two chlorine, difluoromethane. Next, dichloro, see dichloro, tetrafluoromethane, we can call it propellant 114. These are example of chlorofluorohydrocarbons. So what is the advantage of this one means it is having lack of toxicity. Toxicity is not there. Next one is non-flammable means it will not at all catches the fire. Disadvantage is because of presence of chlorine, it is responsible for ozone depletion. Because of presence of chlorine, it is responsible for ozone depletion. Next one is use. See for what purpose we can use this propellant means these propellants can be used for these propellants can be used for oral and inhalational purposes. These propellants can be used for the oral and inhalational purposes, especially in the treatment of asthma and COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Next one is hydrocarbons, just carbon hydrogen. Hydrocarbons example is propane, butane, neopentane, and isopentane. So what is the advantage? Sorry, what are the adverse effects associated with? These are toxic in nature. Along with that flammability, it will catches the fire very immediately. Okay. See, these hydrocarbons at high pressure and at high temperature, it will catches the fire. Especially in the lungs, there is a high pressure will be there. Okay. So it will show some burning kind of sensation within the lungs. Hence, these are the disadvantages. Flammability, nothing but inflammability and toxicity are associated with hydrocarbon propellants. That's why we can use these propellants only for the topical purpose. Next one is only fluorine containing hydrocarbons. We can call it fluorinated hydrocarbons. Example is propellant 134A. A nothing but asymmetric in nature. Next one is propellant 227. What are the see? It do not have ozone depletion, nothing but advantage. It is do not having inflammability. Hence, it is non-flammable, non-ozone depletion. But these are extremely hydrophobic. See, these propellants are extremely hydrophilic. Hence, this having limitation in the solubility issues. Limitations of especially in case of solubility issues. So these propellants also can be used for these propellants also can be used for the oral or inhalation purposes. Majorly, these chlorofluorocarbons can be used widely, and this is topical purposes. Next one is compressed gas propellants. Example of compressed gas propellant is carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and nitrogen. These are the compressed gas propellants. Okay. Next, when two propellants are mixed, propellant plus one another propellant, then that vapor pressure can be determined by using Dalton's law. See, if one propellant that can be mixed with the solid, nothing but here active pharmaceutical ingredient, then that vapor pressure can be determined by using Raoult's law. Dalton's law that is total vapor pressure, Raoult's law that is for partial vapor pressure. See, this is about the propellants, examples of propellants and their uses.